So Olinda Chapo has pledged to cover all funeral expenses for Manawa Ashford. Let me just read what she posted. That's public update. I've contacted Nyarazo. They are now collecting our daughter from the hospital to get washed, dressed, embalmed. They will provide food transportation for the family and mourners, casket, baby girl's final transportation from funeral home to a final resting place. I'm paying Nyarazo in full. I believe a GoFundMe is in process for another Visa Chema towards our family. Those who want to give to the family, see post for the diary's family. For now, all funeral expenses have been covered by my family. Funeral is in Chinhoyi. Please go and support one of us. God be with us. Apparently mwana uyo ari kunzi afira muno muzimbabwe. Ini ndachitofunga kuti akatorwa akaenda kuamerica. I don't know why mind yangu yanga ichitongofunga kuti vana vake vese vari kuamerica. And this is a point of correction. I'm now correcting myself video yandaita iya because ndakaona kunga achitoti ari kuamerica. So I took that kuti afira kuamerica ikoko. So anyway, Olinda Chapel for president. Zvimwe ndezvimwe, Olinda really helps. Munhu atongoti ega ishamwari yakaita sei, unoiona kuti shamwari yekuti don't worry, funeral expense yese from whatever to this ndindichaita. We need more people like Olinda. We need friends like Olinda. We need true friends like her. And may your pockets never run dry. Because aiwa mbinga yakadai so tinoda kuti rirambe mapockets acho ari full, and Mwari ngaaramba achingoita kuti business rake rirambe richingokomborerwa chiita sei. Because Olinda panodiwa need aiwa anombomira zvake, handide kunyepa mwoyo wake hamenoti tikaita vanhu kana kuti 5 chete vanenge ana Olinda I think kuti tinoita zvakanaka. Ikona ana wikini vanenge vachingoti timbinga tiri chii but community is not there. Olinda akatonzi kuita president, ndingatomuvhotereni kuti aite president. Olinda for president, ndinotoda kuti Olinda atoita president. And then Ashford I think is still down. He can't believe whatever is happening. And that if this is a dream, let me sleep forever and never come back to and be forever with my angel. At first it was my mom. You have to grow up embroidered with pain, and now this, which pain is left for me, Lord? Nothing left for me. Shame. I can understand him. Aida mwana wake kani Ashford, he loved that girl, and it's so painful kuti her life was cut short. I don't want to even imagine the pain that he is going through, because I now spend my last moments nemwana, and who knows kuti pamwe haatouye kufuneral kwacho. Ndopo unoona nyika yedu is rubbish yenyika. Muri kuona pakadai so tenchitoda kuti masocialites kana takuti no to id chakati kana takutoita mauyu ka munhu ngaabva atoti pasi naye id, kana takuti no to 2030 ka tinobva tatobatana nemasocialites, because unotadziswa kuita life kuspenda time nefamily because of crisis iri munyika. Muri kuona kana achitaura kuti ngatibatirane pamwe chete, ngatidai so senyika, nyika yedu hainaonaka ka chenchitoda kutoti nemasocialites vaite our voice. I don't know what you guys think, but this is so painful and this year. Let me know. But subscribe, please make sure that you're subscribed, and see you in my next video.